Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now, confirm your Android version, turn on NFC, and enable contactless payments in settings. Once done, open the Play Store and update or install Google Wallet. Sign into the Google account you'll use for payments. Make sure it's the one with your saved cards or government ID. You need a verified phone number and a secure lock screen, PIN, pattern, or biometric, because Wallet requires device protection. With those prerequisites complete, move directly to adding a card or ID. Open Google Wallet and tap Add, then choose Payment Method or ID. You can scan a physical card with the camera or type the number. When prompted, verify ownership by approving a one-time SMS or bank app confirmation. For a government ID, follow the guided photo capture and complete any identity attestations. Allow camera and storage permissions so images upload securely. Make sure you read permission prompts. They enable verification. Once verification begins, keep the app open until confirmation. Set Google Wallet as your default tap-to-pay app in NFC settings, then test at a contactless terminal by holding your phone near the reader until you see a confirmation. If the payment fails, reboot the phone and retry. Make sure the card shows as verified in Wallet and that NFC is active. If problems persist, remove and re-add the card, contact your bank about tokenization support, or confirm Wallet is available in your region. One key tip: Clear Play services cache before re-adding a card.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.